Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this 1975 Triumph Spitfire convertible. Spitfire 4, it's a 1500, and it's finished in this fantastic British Racing green, black interior, black top and top boot, 4-speed disc wheels, luggage rack, and a pretty good looking simple luggage rack. I've never seen one like that on a Spitfire before, but it's in stainless. It looks really great. We purchased this car recently from its owner in Pennsylvania. The car shows 32,000 miles. They swore up and down that was original, but we don't have any documentation for the mileage. But really great body and paint on this car. Somebody spent a fortune and got some fantastic results. The paint and body are just about perfect. Exceptionally good, recent, or at least very good high quality paint that's lasted without any imperfections, really. But really lovely for a Spitfire, this handsome British Racing green paintwork. Windshield's original. This is an original windshield, and it's showing just some slight lowish mileage that the Speedo shows, so that's believable. Bumpers are decent. There is a little bit of, if you look closely here, there is a little bit of fine pitting on the front bumper, but the overriders look beautiful. Wheels and tires, they've all been restored nicely. You can see they put the badge back on after they painted the car. But yeah, just look how flat and lovely that paintwork is all the way down the car. Really handsome. Great wheel and tire set fitted. Back bumper is similar to the front. If you look up close here, you can see it's the original, and it is showing some fine, just some pitting and oxidation though. Like I said, this luggage rack though, it's in stainless. It looks real nice. Really attractive luggage rack. Bright work overall is real nice. You can see all these little fittings here. Everything's real nice and attractive. Factory style, stainless mirrors. They look great. The rubber on the windshield's newer, so they probably popped out that windshield when they painted the car. The top finisher here on the windshield is fantastic. So yeah, let's look at the interior. The interior here received the same care and attention as the paintwork. So either a perfect original interior, or I think it's been all renewed. So carpets are great. Dash is real attractive. It is wearing a dash top pad, but it's properly installed and it looks great. Original style steering wheel. All the instruments were working. They've added these couple extra auxiliary gauges. So as I was driving down the road, the oil pressure was really good at 50 pounds, and then at hot idle 25 to 30, which is really in the normal range for a healthy engine. Seats are fantastic. They've been I think they've been upholstered. These aren't the originals. They could be, but they look reupholstered to me. But they're in beautiful condition, really comfortable. Top is excellent, black top, new top boot. So all the weather equipment's in great condition in black. In the trunk here, really nicely restored trunk. All it's missing is the little the trunk board there, which is a few dollars, maybe 20-30 bucks. But you can see they spackle finished in here and finished it beautifully. They put a mat. There's the spare tire with a new mat cover. So that is very nice and sanitary in there. The trunk lid fits great with a new rubber seal. There's another final look at this interior. Let me open the door here. I'll show you this overview here. So really lovely cosmetics on this thing. Let's look under the hood here. You're not gonna be surprised what's under here, because we have another beautiful engine bay that kind of matches the car. So there it is, really nicely detailed engine compartment. Looks like the suspension's been rebuilt. Tires, like I said, are new. All this is nice and clean up front here, no accidents. Newer hoses, electronic ignition fitted, nicely detailed. Very, very nice car. Still wearing that original single carb for smog, even though it's smog exempt here in California now, but still all the correct emissions and air cleaner. So, you know, this is a really, really well restored, highly original car. A lot of fresh nuts and bolts all over the place here, but super, super healthy engine. Yeah, so like I was saying, I just shut the hood here and it lands beautifully. Nice gaps. Nice. Look at the gaps down at the bottom there. Really lovely. So, let's check the other side. Really nice as well. Yeah, so I just took it for a drive and just goes down the road. Really happy, smooth, no issues. Good steering, brakes, suspension, engine, transmission, good clutch, brakes, everything. You know, everything's just a star on this car. Really, really lovely, turnkey, done, finished, fully restored. Mark IV Triumph Spitfire 1500 in this fantastic British Racing green. Black interior, black top weather equipment. Very, very handsome colors here on this fully restored Mark IV 1975 Triumph Spitfire. Great car for the fall here. Now the weather's cooling a bit. People can actually get out and really enjoy the weather. And it's for sale on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.